Okay guys, magbo-boil tayo ng napa. Mamaya lalagyan natin ng meat ito. I-roll natin sa meat. Okay? Okay guys, lutuin natin ng konti ito para ibalot natin dun sa napa. Okay guys, ready na to. Balot na natin sa napa. There you go guys, ibabalo natin yung ground pork sa napa. And then, yanin ko, ibuboil ko. Steam ko pala, sorry. I will steam this. Okay? Ayan guys, steam na natin yung binalot ko sa napa ng meat. Just wait. This is almost done. Kasi cook na yung meat, yung ground pork. Okay guys, this is ready. Cook na sila. So, thanks for watching. God bless. Bye-bye. Gado masarap to. Let's eat guys. Masarap.